Hi folks, how are you guys doing today? I'm back with a brand new video again. And today we will be learning how to create animal sound player app. Okay. So what do I mean by animal sound player app, right? So in code.org, we have a sound library which is pre-built. Okay. So you will understand how to use that sound library and how to access and play sounds from that sound library. Okay. So this is going to be our agenda for today for you to learn about sound library, how to use them and how to play sounds from the sound library of CodeStudio, right? Not only that, and how can you make a image component as a clickable image component, right? So already like when you're using an image, when you click on it is absolutely clickable, and you can use event also on it, right? So let's see how to use event on image and also how to create animal sound player app, right? With this, you can actually create a small music player app also. Okay, so the same logic, you just have to use the same logic, and you can go ahead with creating your own playlist app, right? So it is absolutely up to you how you're adding your own creativity into this, and how you're making this app bigger. Okay, so yes, this is all about our today's video, and yes, welcome to Folks Hub. I would like to tell you all that if you have not watched my previous videos yet, do please go to my playlist from Folks Hub channel, go to Applab playlist, then see and check out all my videos in a sequence so that you can understand how exactly the series is going and what exactly we are learning, right? So we are learning about Code Studio's App Lab, how to code it, how to design the apps, and how to create fully functional apps on code.org, right? Or Code Studio. Okay. So in this video, like we are creating animal sound player app, isn't it? So let's quickly get started. Before that, we already know to create any app we have four steps: purpose, then we have to define a purpose, and then we have to design it, code it, and test it, correct? So let me tell you our purpose for today again, reframing the statement, right? So we will be creating a simple animal sound player app where you will be having an image to click upon. When you click on that image, then sound plays, right? So this is like a children friendly app, right? Kid friendly app where kids can learn animal sounds, right? And which animal does what kind of a sound is absolutely understood from this, and you can make it bigger, 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 and bigger. Okay, that's absolutely up to you how you want to create this and how you want to own this, correct? So yes, this is our purpose for today, and let's quickly get started with the design. Okay, so I'm just coming back to design tab to start designing, right? So if you want to use any theme, absolutely you can choose any theme, right? So yes, let's make our app colorful today. So I will be using berry patch. It seems so good for me, right? So and this is a very good purple color which I really like, right? And on this, pink things will be coming, and that looks absolutely brilliant. Now let's take image. Like we already know, and I told you, we are making image a clickable component today. Okay, so I'm changing the ID. I've already decided upon few animals which I am placing over here, right? So I've already decided upon the images which I have to choose. I've downloaded those images from the internet. Okay, you can download the your own animal images which you wanted in your app, right? So you can download them and you can upload them onto Code Studio. I will be showing you how to do that. First, let me just write the image ID name as duck. uh, okay, so I'm writing the ID as duck, and let's click on this image here. So here we have the choose option to choose the option. So when you just click on it, it will actually show you such kind of my files option over here, right? So you will not have any file uploaded because you have not yet uploaded anything, right? So we have upload file option over here. So when you click on this, it will show you the interface from where you can actually see all your files from your documents. You can click on it and you can upload it, right? It is that simple. So you have to keep your images ready if you want to use this upload file option, and you have to upload all the images like this, like I have already done here, right? So and I have written the image id as duck, so I'm choosing duck picture. Okay, and I don't want the width to be 100 only, right? So I want to increase this to 150. So I'm just increasing this to 150, and height also to be 150. I like this. This seems good, right? So I will just adjust this a little bit, and we can actually duplicate this image so that we need not style it again and again, right? We can just change the id and the image. That is enough. You need not again edit your width and height options. So let's adjust this a little bit more, and okay, cool. So let's just change the id from image to goat, and then let's choose the picture from here. So I'm choosing it from here, and let's duplicate this picture by duplicating, and I'm just placing it over here. And let's change this thing to horse. Let's choose the picture. Yes, choose, click on choose to choose that one. Duplicate this and place it on the right side. Adjust this properly so that your app looks neater and cleaner. So just change the ID from horse, so from image to pig, and change the image as pig. Choose. Perfect. So we've successfully completed designing our app, right? So this is all. If you want to add multiple images, you can absolutely add, and if you want to add multiple events, you can absolutely add them. Okay, so there's no particular restriction of how to do your app, how to design it and all, right? You can absolutely design this by giving border properties, like let's suppose I want to give 3, and border color, so let's give a nice pink color. Okay, so border radius, let's write 50. Okay, so this is also fine, right? You can absolutely create any kind of design. You can customize all these buttons, right? So this is, sorry, all these images absolutely according to your own wish. If you want to change any other thing over here, absolutely you can change. You can cover, so that it just covers the entire region, right? So if you don't want the border radius to be this bigger, you can actually make it smaller a little bit. You can make like this, right? You can frame it up in your own way, and you can actually change and use the same design for all of these other pictures also. I'm not doing this because I don't want to waste time on this one now, right? You can design it, you can customize it according to your own wish. Let's click on code, then let's quickly start coding this app, right? So how can we do this? So when I click on duck picture, then I want to hear duck sound. Okay, so when I click on goat picture, then I want to only hear goat sound. Then, so that means here we have to have an action when this image is clicked. That means here event is occurring, correct? So that means we have to use on event. So on event, I'm just dragging this from, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry about that. And on event duck click. So when you're clicking on duck image, then some function will occur. That means some action will happen. What should happen? We have to play sound, right? So to play sound, we have play sound URL. Okay, so this is this thing, play sound. Play sound is a predefined function of JavaScript, okay, which we can use to actually play some sound from the sound library, or you can also upload the sound here, or you can record your own sound, right? Or you can get the online links also. So when you click on choose, you will see something like this. This is the sound library of CodeStudio. We have a very good collection of sounds, right? so which you can use for your apps, games, whatever you're doing. We have digital sounds, bell sounds, board games, explosion sounds, right? So you can absolutely use, or you can click on make new sound to upload the file, to record the audio. So this is how you can actually access sounds and use sounds, right? So I'm here clicking on animals because I want to access animal sounds, and we have these animal sounds over here. You can actually create app for all of these also, no problem. Click on duck and then click on choose. If you want to play the sound before choosing it, you just can click on this play icon to yes, I hope you could hear the sound, and then click on choose. That's it. So you can see this is the link, and play sound false. Why am I writing false over here in the second parameter is, so if you're not writing false, it will continuously play the sound, right? We don't want that to happen. We want it only to be playing once when you click on it, right? So that's why I'm using false over here. Okay. I don't want to loop the sound, and this is for duck picture. Similarly, we have to do the same thing for goat, horse, and pig also. So let's quickly do that. I'm just selecting this, copying it using Control C, and pasting it using Control V. That's it. I want it three more times, so I just pasted it three more times. And let's choose goat picture, and then click on sound library, animals, and goat. So I think I have it here. So if you want to hear this, this is the sound, and let's click on this. Now next picture is horse. Let's click on play sound. I mean choose animals, then horse. Where's horse? Okay. Okay, so we chose horse also. And the last thing is pig. So let's click on pig, then click on choose animals, pig. Perfect. So this is it, right? So we've successfully completed the coding, and we have successfully completed designing. Let's click on run to check this. I'm just clicking on duck. Okay. Goat. Perfect. Horse. Fine. Pink. Okay. This is all. It's absolutely working fine, right? So this is all about the animal sound player, the sound library of CodeStudio, and how to play them, access them from the CodeStudio sound library. So we understood all these things, right? So if you have, if you have any questions or any doubts regarding any of these apps which I'm creating, or the links which I'm providing, so I'm providing all the links in the description box, right? So do check out the description to get the links. A new project link I'm posting, and then I'm posting my project link also, so that you can edit it straight away from my project, right? So it is absolutely up to you how you want to get the links and how you want to start off, right? So if you're not getting anything, or if you're stuck somewhere, so you can absolutely ask in the comment box, right? So do comment and get your doubts cleared, right? So yeah, this is about the animal sound player app, and let's meet in the next video with a new app again. Okay, so we've been doing a single screen app so far, right? I will try to create a video with a multi-screen app also in coming videos. Okay, so let's plan that up, and yes. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. Happy learning. Enjoy coding. Okay. So yes. Bye bye, and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Okay. Don't forget to watch all the videos in my playlist Applab. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all.